This is Angela Corbett, Regulatory Compliance Manager for Reliv International. I'm here today to help you build and promote your business while making sure you're compliant. We take compliance very seriously here at Reliv because it's our job to not only protect the company, but also you as an independent Reliv distributor. Let's first explore what compliance is. Compliance is divided into two categories: distributor compliance and corporate compliance. What is distributor compliance? In general, I make sure our distributors are following the rules when it comes to policies and procedures, income claims, and health claims. So what exactly does this involve? Monitoring social media, for one. Every day, I'm searching for non-compliant posts, ads, and videos on all social media forums: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. I'm not trying to intentionally catch you doing something wrong, I promise, but I'm actually trying to protect you. Because if I don't find it, there's a high probability that the FDA or the FTC will. They actually have rather sophisticated software that can go out there and catch things. They look for non-compliant posts, keywords, and hashtags. Even when you think you might be able to hide something within your Facebook or Instagram story, they can actually catch that too. I also ensure Reliv brand standards are followed. That means I ensure our distributors are correctly using trademarks, Reliv colors, and representing Reliv in the right way. Our brand standards are required to be followed when promoting your Reliv business. And that's because we want you to put your best foot forward as a distributor with professional marketing materials designed to help you save time and money, and also to help you succeed. To make this easy for you, we've developed digital, print, and video marketing materials that we encourage you to use when promoting your business. For marketing and branding tips, be sure to log into reliv.com and type "success training" into the search bar. And if you haven't done so already, join our Reliv Independent Distributor group on Facebook, where we share a new marketing or branding tip with you every Monday, as well as a product and compliance tip on Thursday. I also approve any distributor created material. Again, we really hope you're not having to create materials because our marketing team does a fantastic job doing it for you. But if you do decide to create advertisements, videos, flyers, or brochures, keep in mind that they do need to be approved by compliance first. You can simply email them to compliance@relivinc.com. So what is corporate compliance? That means I work with our marketing team on all materials like e-blasts, the Reliv website, brochures, videos, social media posts, product labels, basically anything that comes out from corporate. So if you use anything corporate created, you can rest assured it is compliant. However, please keep in mind that regulations and trends do change frequently, and we do our best to keep marketing materials as up-to-date as possible as we learn of new information. As members of the Direct Selling Association, I work closely with them and other DSA members to ensure that Reliv is at the pulse of what's taking place in our industry. So why is compliance such an important part of our business? Well, we at Reliv, we want to set the bar. We want to be the example for other companies. We also want to make sure that we're always in good standing with the FDA, the FTC, the Direct Selling Association, and Truth in Advertising. This all adds credibility to Reliv's reputation. Everybody wants to work for and buy products from a reputable company, right? So what should you as a Reliv independent distributor expect? In recent years, the FTC has implemented regulations that are more stringent, and what we said even 1 to 2 years ago simply cannot be said today. Terms like financial freedom, residual income, lifestyle of your dreams, quit your job, and many other terms are no longer permissible. Take a moment and review this list of some of the terms that are considered high risk. You can also download the full list underneath this video to use for future reference. So what does the FTC expect from you as a distributor? Well, they want to make sure you're painting a picture of what the average Reliv distributor makes, which in 2020 was $615. You have to ask yourself, what overall impression will consumers take away from this when looking or listening to an ad or a post? The consumer's reasonable interpretation is a marker that both the courts and the FTC have used. So take a step back and ask yourself, what impression are you giving? Are you implying that someone can make supplemental income? Or are you implying that they will easily make substantial income? As far as what the FDA wants, even though the benefits that you have achieved by using the Reliv products is real, and no one's disputing that, it's just health claims are not permissible. What is the FDA's golden rule? Their rule is do not deceive, do not mislead, and always substantiate. When we say substantiate, we mean with clinical data. Using terms like arthritis, cancer, autism, fibromyalgia, they're simply not permissible. Take a moment to review just some of the terms that are high risk. You can also download the full list underneath this video to use for future reference. And while there's a lot you cannot say, know that there are compliant ways to promote the products. Instead of saying pain, you can say discomfort. Instead of migraines, you can talk about headaches. Instead of insomnia, you can talk about what a great night's rest you're getting by using the Reliv products. Instead of arthritis, you can talk about your relief of joint discomfort. These are just a few examples. Even if you put a disclaimer, the income disclosure or the FDA disclaimer, this does not protect the company if the claims are not compliant. At the end of the day, every marketing concept should start with compliance. What is permissible? Not what can we get away with or how far can we push the envelope. I highly recommend that you go to the Reliv website and review our policies and procedures and brand standards, as well as the Direct Selling Association Code of Ethics, whether you're new to Reliv or you've been a distributor for years. My job is not to make your job more difficult. My job is to help you advertise the products in a way that is compliant so that Reliv can stay in business and maintain our unblemished reputation. I want to help you build your business successfully and set the bar for our industry when it comes to compliance. Please know you can always email me at compliance@relivinc.com if you have any questions. Thank you so much.